In this video, I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to make these adorable gift cards.
I love to give these Money Balm gift cards for all occasions, not just for graduation, but for birthdays, weddings, and anything else. It's a really fun thing to give. So I started in Creative Fabrica and I searched for uh, a lip balm graduation. Basically, is all I put in for the search. And I found these three beautiful designs here. So I went into my Canva and set up a custom size of 4.5 by 5.25 inches. And then I edited my design. I added the $20 here. I actually stretched it out because I didn't want the rounded corners. I want them square. It'll be easier to cut them out with my paper cutter. I'm just using a plain paper cutter. I'm not doing a print and cut on this. I am just printing these on cardstock. And then also behind where the money would be and the lip balm case, I put who it's from. And so I did a couple of those, and then I did one. I actually did three different designs here. I did all three of them. So then I went to a Word document and I pulled them in to print. You can fit four of them onto a Word document. So I've got this ready and I'm getting it printed so I can add my money and my lip balm cases.
So here they are right out of the printer. So I'm going to get these cut out. I just used a plain inkjet printer. I have an Epson color inkjet printer. And here are the lip balm pouches that I use, and you can see that they come with adhesive here. I don't know if you can see that, but it's peel and stick adhesive. So you just add your money and stick them together. And here they are complete. They are just absolutely adorable, and your graduate will love it. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, see links below, and leave me a comment.